Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is how to change the time on the Honeywell thermostat. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much in advance. It's going to be a very short video, so first get started, hit the set clock day, and the set clock will be blinking. The down arrow is a decrement, it means go down. And you hit the up arrow is increment. So just there's no setting by changing hours, so to do minute by minute. That's the unfortunate thing. So in our case, the hour went spring forward. It's not fall back. Fall, you fall back. Spring, you spring forward. So right now it's about 10:28. Let me just check the time over here. And so I'm going to increment all the way to 10:28. So simple as that to change the clock to 10:28 on this Honeywell thermostat. There's no secret, there's no faster way to doing it in this particular model. And you could go down, and that's how you change it by minute. And again, we could check again if my watch cooperates. It's 10:28 and hit done. That's simple as that. And I'm going to repeat this part over here just in case the folks want to look at it and change it again. And we're not going to change any system programming again. Set clock, day, and schedule. Click on that, then the set clock will go on. So here, up means increment, down means decrement. You can see that over here. Suppose you add an extra minute and you want to take that back out. Just click over here and you hit done. Simple as that. That's how you change the time on this Honeywell thermostat. Hope this video is helpful. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Please leave a comment to help others. And I'll see you next time. Bye.